Stone Age, Indus Valley Civilization, Bronze Age. Question 1. The Teri sites of Thoothukudi in Tamil Nadu and Vishakhapatnam bear evidence of microlithic tools, thus indicating the presence of Mesolithic age in South India. In this context, what does the term Teri signify? A. A site having successive traditions of prehistoric cultures. B. A hilly landscape characterized by basalt rocks. C. A coastal landscape caused by sand dunes. D. A site which has been extensively studied by the archaeologists. Question 2. With reference to the Chalcolithic culture, consider the following statements. 1. The Chalcolithic people extensively used burnt bricks in their settlements. 2. The Chalcolithic people used a large number of small-sized stone tools known as microliths. 3. The rate of infant mortality in the Chalcolithic settlements was very high. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. With reference to the pottery traditions in India, consider the following statements. 1. The Iron Age in North India coincides with the painted grey ware culture. 2. The Northern Black Polished Ware culture, NBPW, is associated with the age of Mahajanabdas. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. With reference to the prehistoric age in India, what do the terms menhir, dolmen indicate? A. Forms of megalithic burials. B. Forms decorative techniques used in rock paintings. C. Specialized stone tools for hunting big animals. D. Religious structure in the Chalcolithic settlements. Question 5. Which of the following animals were represented in sculptural art of the Indus Valley Civilization? 1. Tiger. 2. Crocodile. 3. Horse. 4. Unicorn, bull. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 6. With reference to the Indus Valley Civilization, consider the following statements. 1. Harappan civilization was the exporter of semi-precious stones and a major importer of agriculture products. 2. The Harappan people produced enough copper ore to export it to its contemporary Mesopotamian civilization. 3. Gold, silver, nickel and iron was used predominantly in Harappan civilization. Which of these statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 7. With the reference to the Mesolithic culture, consider the following statements. 1. The rock paintings of central India depict hunting, trapping, fishing and plant collection. 2. The painting of Bhimbetka shows that various animals were hunted and men and women went together. 3. The Mesolithic people cremated the dead and believed in rebirth. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Which of the following paintings are found in Bhimbetka near Bhopal? 1. Hunting. 2. Cooking. 3. Dancing. 4. Fishing. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 3 and 4 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 9. In the context of ancient history of India, which of the following statements are correct? 1. Beginning of agriculture, animal domestication and permanent residence were built in the Neolithic period. 2. Due to surplus production in agriculture, large villages came to exist and began the cultural development in the Neolithic period. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding Indus Valley Civilization. 1. Millet are found from the site of Gujarat. 2. Cattle, sheep, cow and horses and pigs' bones are found at Harappan sites. 3. Harappan peoples ate fish and plant products. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 11. Consider the following statements regarding the Harappan civilization. 1. They were located on semi-arid lands and required irrigation. 2. Dholavira was equipped with a system of water reservoirs. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 12. With reference to the ancient history of India, the word shamans refer to A. A priest who performed the last rites of the dead. B. Men and women with healing and magical powers. C. Traders during the time of the Indus Valley Civilization. D. The wandering ascetic who renounced all worldly existence.